unlike the skin around your eyes and mouth, which are caused by repeated facial movements. Crepey skin on the face and body has a different cause, and sun damage is usually to blame. If you spent your younger years in the sun or a tanning bed, you're probably looking down at little crinkles on your hands, arms, and legs. Thin, paper-like skin that's lost its elasticity. This is actually a very common complaint when you get in your 40s and above, but with rampant tanning bed use, it's hitting people earlier and earlier. Today, I'm going to give you some instant and long-term tips to transform your crepey skin. First things first, protect your skin from future damage. Before you think about anything else, you need to understand that sunblock is now going to be a way of life for you. You need to be using an SPF of at least 30 on your hands and body every day, not just your face. Most people are good with their faces, and that's where it stops. Apply it to any areas that will see the sun when you're heading out. And totally get one of those ultra sexy wide brim hats. They'll protect your face, neck, and chest while you stroll around town looking like a movie star. Now, let's start at the beginning. Internal causes. 1. Keep your body hydrated. Drink plenty of water. When you're dehydrated, your skin will definitely look worse. 2. Certain medications can cause dry, dehydrated skin, like steroids. Watch for those and change them or get off them if you possibly can. 3. Make sure you're eating a healthy diet and getting plenty of omega fatty acids. If you aren't a fish lover, then you can munch on walnuts or add flaxseed to your dishes or yogurt. External treatments. We need to exfoliate, stimulate, and hydrate the skin. Let's start off with exfoliation. Exfoliate with an acid cleanser every evening. Our revitalizing 10% glycolic acid cleanser is excellent for all normal skin types. And if you're dry, choose our anti-aging 5% lactic cleanser instead. Both will help to give you a more refined and smooth complexion. For the body, choose our 15% lactic and glycolic body wash. Use a scrubbing puff to instantly remove some of the dead skin that makes your skin look dry and lifeless. By exfoliating first, we also make it easier for your treatments to penetrate into the layers of skin. Another option to exfoliate is to use an acid body lotion. Our Triple Treat 25% body lotion is an excellent choice that you can use on all the crepey areas, 1 to 2 times daily. Apply it after your shower and again before bed. Now, on to stimulation. For the face, the main emphasis is to stimulate collagen and elastin. These are responsible for keeping the skin plump and firm. Now, we have several amazing products that focus on these key building blocks. Our highly intense Dr. Platinum Potions line, we have 2 key products that will be amazing for crepey skin. The first is our syn-TC 75% complex. Just remember that the TC stands for total collagen, and you'll remember exactly what this product is used for. It's also helpful with skin texture and elasticity. Now, you can apply this full strength at 75%, or you can dilute it into one of your favorite creams or serums. The studies performed with this ingredient were done using only a 2.5% active, so ours is a giant step above that in strength. Citrus stem 35% complex. Citrus stem cells are all about building elasticity in the skin. Their slogan is regain the elastic properties of a skin 12 years younger with citrus stem. Now that's a big claim, and you know what? This is a great ingredient and a wonderful product. Another really helpful job of this serum is to make a more refined micro relief. That means it can help your skin to be smooth and healthy. And studies for this active were done at a 0.3%. So you can apply it full strength with our 35%, or you can dilute this into another product. The combination, you knew it was coming, of syn-TC and Citrustim is one of my very favorites to recommend to anyone concerned with aging skin. It works perfectly for crepey skin as well. Now, you can buy them separately or you can get our 2-potion combo, and we'll custom mix the 2 solutions together for you into an easy to apply daily serum. Another great ingredient to help with crepey skin is EGF, or epidermal growth factor. EGF will stimulate your skin to regenerate the epidermis more quickly, and that's the outer layers of your skin. This can be very helpful when you're dealing with thin, fragile skin. Now, another key ingredient in our Regenerate EGF formula is syn-TC. Syn-TC is excellent for tightening the loose skin around the jowls, neck, and chest area, prime locations for sun damage and crepey skin. You would apply this 2 times per day before any other creams. One of the most well-known collagen stimulating ingredients known to man is vitamin C. Our high-octane vitamin C is a combination of L-ascorbic and aminopropyl ascorbyl phosphate. It can be applied each morning to help stimulate collagen growth, increase elasticity, smooth the skin's texture, and help to repair and prevent future sun damage on the skin. Now, even if you aren't dealing with crepey skin, a daily application of vitamin C will help to prevent future damages. It is a product that absolutely everyone should be using daily. Another key product that is so beneficial for crepey skin and anti-aging in general is vitamin A, or retinoids. One of the #1 treatments you will see when searching out crepey skin fixes is retinol. That's because retinol can literally transform your skin. Not only does it stimulate quick cellular turnover, it also benefits the skin by stimulating the body's natural production of collagen. This rebuilding action can make wrinkles look less severe, and it can reduce the appearance of splotchiness, age spots, sun damage, and of course, crepey skin. You would apply your retinol every evening before bed. And if you're also applying the potions, you'll apply them first and then follow with your retinol molecular serum on top. I want to mention one other topical that's amazing for crepey skin, and that is Crepey Skin Escape by Dr. Picard. As the name suggests, the GHK copper-based product is created to fight crepey skin. Now you just apply a small amount 1 to 2 times per day in all the affected areas and watch your skin hydrate and smooth over the course of a couple weeks. And this can be used right alongside all the other products I mentioned previously that help to exfoliate and stimulate collagen and elastin. This is especially simple and effective for the décolleté, legs, and arms. There are some other helpful treatments out there that you can look into, such as an IPL photofacial or Ultherapy. Those will have to be done in a professional establishment, but some can be very helpful. Remember though, even with professional treatments, you'll still need to update your regimen to keep future issues at bay. Chemical peels are also very helpful. Fortunately, you can do those at home. Always pre-treat your skin with retinol, preferably, or an acid serum prior to applying a stronger peel. This will help to make your skin texture more even so that you receive a better peel. And it will also help you to heal more quickly after your peel due to vitamin A's regenerative properties. I would highly suggest our TCA 13% at 1 to 3 layers for your face, neck, and décolleté. If you're dealing with crepiness on your arms and legs, a higher percentage would be warranted. If you have very light skin, choose the TCA 30%. If you have medium to dark skin, choose the TCA 20%. And make sure to pre-treat your skin for 2 weeks with Fade Bright or another melanin inhibitor prior to applying your peel. This will help to prevent PIH, which is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. One last tip. Needling is another very easy process that will help to stimulate collagen in the skin. You could do this on a weekly basis for 10 minutes or so in your problem areas. It's a little roller and a handle with needles on it. You just kind of roll it on your skin. I suggest that you apply our Regenerate EGF serum immediately after your treatment for the most exceptional results. Do you still have more questions? We're here to help. Just reach out to us.